Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the challenges of becoming a programmer in today's world. As you may already know, programming is a highly sought-after skill that is in high demand across various industries. However, there are many challenges that aspiring programmers face in their journey towards mastering this skill. So, let's dive into some of these challenges. High demand for technical skills. One of the biggest challenges that aspiring programmers face is the high demand for technical skills. This has led to increased competition and higher expectations from employers. It's not enough to know one programming language, you have to be proficient in multiple languages, frameworks, and tools to stand out from the crowd. Rapidly evolving technology. Technology is constantly evolving, and programming languages and frameworks are no exception. As a result, programmers need to continually update their skills and knowledge to remain relevant in the job market. It can be overwhelming to keep up with the latest trends and advancements in technology. Educational requirements. Many employers require a college degree in computer science or a related field for programming positions. This can be a significant barrier to entry for those who cannot afford or access higher education. It's important to note that not all successful programmers have a formal education in computer science. However, having a degree can give you an advantage in the job market. Complexity of programming languages. Learning to code requires significant effort and dedication. Programming languages can be complex, and it takes time to become proficient in them. It's important to have a growth mindset and be willing to put in the effort to learn and improve your coding skills. Lack of diversity and inclusion. The technology industry has historically lacked diversity and inclusion, which can create barriers for underrepresented groups who want to become programmers. It's essential to address these issues and promote diversity and inclusion in the industry to ensure that everyone has an equal opportunity to succeed as a programmer. Burnout and mental health. The demand for programmers can lead to high workloads and burnout. It's essential to take care of your mental health and maintain a work-life balance to avoid burnout and maintain productivity. So, those are some of the challenges of becoming a programmer in today's world. However, there is a solution that can help you overcome these challenges. Introducing the DXRAD community, a group of passionate programmers and developers who share their knowledge and experiences to help you navigate the world of programming. By joining the DXRAD community, you will have access to a network of like-minded individuals who can help you stay updated with the latest technology trends and advancements. You can also benefit from their experience and advice on how to approach the challenges of programming. So, if you're looking for a supportive community that can help you succeed as a programmer, then the DXRAD community is the solution you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join our community by subscribing to our channel and following us on social media. We'll see you in the next one.